This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deanna Davis. No FHA or VA financing. I am told solar panels have been paid for. Bomb February 21, 2026. Owner exterminated active termites. Treatment bond to convey to buyer. No additional repairs or exploration done. Beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home that's now available. It's located on a spacious corner lot and features city water and sewer. The home boasts cathedral ceilings and an open floor plan. The kitchen has been updated with crisp white, soft close dovetail cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Both bathrooms have also been updated. You'll find luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire house, with no carpet. The roof was replaced in 2022. The large, fenced backyard is perfect for entertaining, and the home offers easy access to shopping and I-95. For more information, review the details below.